We all know that human activities since the start of the Industrial Revolution have led to global warming, climate change, carbon being pumped into the atmosphere through human activities like cars, factories, everything we're doing to pump carbon into the atmosphere and take it out of the ground. However, scientists have found that a part of the U.S., the southeastern U.S., is not heating but cooling in the past 100 years. And they really wanted to study why this is happening. And in so doing, they found the profound impact that vegetation, specifically trees, can have on human climate change. They found that trees are not only a carbon sink, but they also cool the air around them through transpiration. That's letting off of water vapor, just like human sweat. However, trees do it on a vast scale. Since reforestation began in the 20s in the southeastern U.S., that part of the country has cooled while the rest of the country and the rest of the world has warmed. And they wanted to study why this is happening. They found that cooling in the eastern U.S. amounts to 2 to 3.5 degrees Fahrenheit overall. And in the summer, the effects are even more, 3.5 to 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Why is this happening? Well, more than 37 million acres have been reforested in the eastern U.S. in the last 100 years or so. And they found that this has cooled the atmosphere enough to really counter the effects of climate change in that part of the world. This doesn't mean we can just plant trees and avoid the consequences of global warming. In other words, we still have to get that carbon out of the atmosphere and reduce the amount we're putting into the atmosphere through cars and power plants and factories, things like that. But it does establish for the first time the profound and really important impact that reforestation, specifically with trees, can have on making the earth cooler in local areas and really large areas in some cases across the globe, and making this planet more hospitable for humans in the long run. Very important study, and we'll be talking more about this in the future.